Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths effectively. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus to identify key topics and their importance. Next, ensure you have a strong grasp of foundational concepts from earlier grades. This is crucial for building new knowledge. Finally, establish a consistent study schedule, dedicating at least 2 hours every day to practice and review. This structured approach will set you up for success. Active learning is vital for mastering mathematics. Don't just read. Solve a wide variety of problems from your textbook and other reference materials. Focus on truly understanding the underlying concepts behind each problem, rather than simply memorizing formulas. Make sure to review solved examples step by step, paying close attention to the methods and reasoning used. Consistent practice builds confidence and proficiency. Addressing doubts promptly is essential. Never let a question linger. Clarify all your uncertainties with your teachers or classmates as soon as they arise. Keeping a dedicated notebook for important formulas, theorems, and common errors will be incredibly helpful for quick reference. Regular revision of all topics, particularly before any assessments, is key to solidifying your understanding and ensuring long-term retention of the material. For exam preparation, solving previous year's question papers under timed conditions is invaluable. It simulates the actual test environment. Use mock tests to identify your weak areas and then dedicate extra effort to improving those specific topics. During the actual examination, remember to stay calm and manage your time effectively. Allocate appropriate time to each section to maximize your overall score and demonstrate your full understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.